Oh, for me?
Yep.
Thank you. Wow.
Wow. Thank you, Sita. I love it. There are a lot of things. Santa again. Santa brought me another one. Wow. Santa. I must have been really good this year.
I don't know. That's not mine.
Do and discover.
No, that should not be
Wait. This is for Uncle Paul. I got it for you.
Oh, thank
Oh,
you.
thank you. Thank you. Wow.
Oh,
What do you have there, Amanda?
I could seriously have an ant farm.
Nina.
What? Oh, another one?
I could seriously have an ant farm.
Oh my goodness.
Seriously, Santa, this
Seriously?
is awesome.
Awesome, huh?
Oh, Santa, I can have an ant farm.
Let's see, that goes to. Hey, this is a.
Grandma.
It's a what?
Whoa. Mom,
So you
Mom,
have to go with
Mom,
your
Mom,
phone.
Okay.
Mom, you might want to open this. Mom, you might want to open this.
Amanda, go get that from Uncle Paul. Go get that.
Well, it didn't say, but it's well, no, it's not for you. It's for,
I know.
so I'm going to leave it here.
Okay. Okay.
She has to take it
I
to
know.
the store.
Mom.
You can pick out a phone.
Mom.
The one she should probably get is the new Windows.
Okay.
We'll talk with her if she ever gets the console.
Really, I'm not done opening.
Oh, good luck. Okay.
Like if you send her a phone, we'll go to that and we'll go to,
Okay. Okay.
Uncle Paul.
This is a lot.
Another one? Oh my goodness.
Look at that one. Mom, look at the one on you.
I see all of that, honey. Wow.
Mom?
No, that's not for you. How you got that one? That's for Angelina.
What's that say, Mama?
What's it say, baby? It says to Amanda from Whitey.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she did.